In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a flow on Klaviyo for new subscribers. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and looking at the main navigation. From here, click Flows. This is where you will build automated sequences that send messages based on specific triggers, like someone joining your email list. Next, click Create Flow, then choose Create from Scratch. Starting from scratch is useful because it gives you full control over the setup, and it helps you understand how each piece of the flow fits together. Once the blank flow opens, you will begin by choosing what starts the automation. Select Trigger, then choose List. A list trigger means the flow will start when someone is added to a specific list, which is perfect for a welcome flow for new subscribers. After selecting List, choose your main newsletter list. Make sure you pick the correct list because this determines exactly who will enter the flow. If you have multiple lists in your account, take an extra moment to confirm the list name matches the one connected to your sign-up forms and subscriber sources. With your trigger in place, you are ready to add your first message. From the left side components, drag email and drop it directly below the trigger. Placing it right under the trigger ensures that new subscribers receive your welcome email as soon as they join the list, unless you later decide to add timing adjustments. Now click Select Template and choose a welcome design. Welcome templates are a great starting point because they are already structured for introductions, brand messaging, and a clear next step. As you choose your design, keep readability in mind and make sure the layout works well on mobile, since many subscribers will open emails on their phone. Once you have selected the welcome template, click Save and Exit. This saves your progress and returns you to the main flow view, where you can confirm everything is connected correctly. Finally, switch the flow status from draft to live. Moving it to live activates the automation so future subscribers who join your main newsletter list can begin receiving the email. Take a final glance at the trigger and the email placement to ensure it is set up exactly as intended. And that is all there is to it.